Geoffrey Cox.
Mr. Speaker, there are 3 points that I want to raise in addressing the House today. The first is a concern that I have in congratulating the honourable member who's just spoken for the report of his committee, that 1 or 2 points, loose ends, seem to me not to have been followed up. On the 30th of May 2006, a CPS file note recorded the following: that the police had written a briefing paper informing the Attorney General and the then Director of Public Prosecutions, and I quote, "A vast number of unique voicemail numbers belonging to high-profile individuals, politicians and celebrities have been identified as being accessed without authority. These," said the police to the then Attorney General, "may be the subject of wider investigation." In a memorandum dated the 8th of August 2006, a senior Crown Prosecution Service lawyer wrote, "It was recognized early in this case that the investigation was likely to reveal a vast array of offending behavior. However, the Crown Prosecution Service and the police concluded that aspects of the investigation could be focused on a discrete area of offending relating to 2 officials at the palace and the suspects Goodman and Mulcair. From those documents, Madam Deputy Speaker, it is absolutely manifest that the Attorney General, who sits when appropriate in the cabinet of the last government, was manifestly informed that there was, quote, "a vast array of offending behavior in which hundreds of unique celebrities, members of this House, members of the other place and otherwise, had had their phones accessed without authority." Madam Deputy Speaker, why was nothing done? Can the Leader of the Opposition, who is now not in his place, tell us, and can the former members of their cabinets tell us, whether the Attorney General of the time in 2006 brought to the attention of his colleagues the fact that a vast array of offending behavior had been committed by News International, but was not intended to be investigated by the police? The Attorney General, Madam Deputy Speaker, 1 moment if I may. The Attorney General, Madam Deputy Speaker, has a solemn duty to draw to the Cabinet such matters if they affect the public interest. The Attorney General has a right of oversight over the Crown Prosecution Service, the ultimate and last resort at least, to instruct that these things be given, at least advice be given to the police on these matters. Why was nothing done? I would invite the honourable member, the chairman of the Home Affairs Committee, to call for this evidence and to examine it closely, because it seems to me a matter of the most pressing public interest. I give way to the right honourable gentleman.